How's everybody doing? Hopefully everybody's having a great day. So here we go. This one is just going to be the garage door. How to spray a metal garage door. I got the full video coming up next. Make sure you guys clean it up first before painting. Usually a pressure wash should take care of it. You don't want to use no chemicals or nothing like that. Here's a tip, my G's. Make sure you guys go corner to corner. Here, on the beginning, I was just testing the pressure to put a perfect nice fan. I was around 1600 PSI with the 310 tip. So you want to go corner to corner, especially when you have an extension, because it spits. So when you release the trigger, make sure you guys end it at the corner. Because when you have an extension, it usually spits. We're using that Pro Industrial from Sherwin-Williams, that alkyd paint. Sticks perfect for metal doors. And just put 2 coats on the door. Don't try to cover it on 1 coat. Another thing, make sure you guys throw a drop. I usually see painters just with the piece of paper. It's gonna have overspray. So it's gonna take you a minute or 2 just to get a drop and put it on the cement. You guys gonna look like pros because there's not gonna be overspray and the job is gonna be nice and clean. Remember, you can control the overspray, but not eliminate it. By using a low pressure tip, lowering the pressure, and you just gotta cover stuff with drops, paper, plastic. Wow, now that's beautiful. Looks amazing. Hopefully everybody liked the video. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Have a blessed day, everybody.